want to get open. It's okay, I need to push my headphones off. Let's do a lot for breakfast. I need to get the pots and pans, so. There's nothing here. I might just have some fruit. I think I'll just have a pineapple. I'll leave that on the counter. I'm not done it yet. And I need to get my hair ready. So I'm gonna look in this TV so you can see my reflection. There. So now where's my backpack? Wait, I won't do my hair until I go to school. I'll bring my purse. Or maybe if I have another bag. No. Other bags I like. I'll just bring my purse. I need a lunch kit. Where did Mom put my lunch kit? I don't like how she puts things away. And then she always forgets where she puts them, so then I can't find them. You know what? I might just put fruits right in my bag. I'm going to take a peach, a red pepper, some chicken, another peach, and pretzel. And then, what else should I bring? I should do spinach, or whatever this is. My mom says they're very healthy, and I need to eat them daily. My wallet. Because just in case I don't go straight home from school, I need to have my wallet with me. Even if I don't want to eat any of this, like, if there's milk at the cafeteria, why is that in there? Why do you keep putting your stuff in this? So, wallet and my lunch. Very healthy. I want to be skinny. I want to be a model. I'm super sad when I grow up and I'm older. I might just sneak one of these in. I won't care. I'll just get my coat ready. Throw it there. I think that's all I'm gonna bring. So I'm gonna style my hair now. I don't know if I should have it like this. No, that's fine. This is good. I need my gold in my ear though. Could go around that would work. I think that's all. I just have to lock up the house. Make sure all the money's away. Humidity. I don't need to. I don't have anything in my lunch. So now I need to walk to school. Come on, guys, if you want to come to the school. I just need to shut the lights off and close the door. The reason that I'm in high school, so it's dark. It's like 6 in the morning, and I have to go so early because I have to walk to school. My homeschool gathering. Why am I waiting? I like the desk. Bye, guys. Say bye. Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.